Debt collectors have actually sued to block the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's action on illegal medical debt collection. It was back on November 1st that ACA International and Collection Bureau Services filed a lawsuit against the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, challenging the Bureau's recent advisory opinion on illegal medical debt collection practices. The lawsuit was filed in the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia, challenging the Bureau's authority and the validity of the opinion itself. Since that date, an Alabama Congressman has actually joined the debt collectors in support of deceptive and unfair collection of medical debt. Recall, it was back on October 1st of 2024 that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau issued guidance to prevent families from being targeted by illegal medical debt collection tactics. The Bureau says about 100 million Americans owe over $220 billion in medical debt, and they say medical bills are often confusing and riddled with errors. Families should not have their lives upended because of an unexpected medical emergency. So the guidance, that advisory opinion issued by the Bureau, said they're going to actually take on that illegal medical debt collection. They don't like the tactics that collectors are using, like double dipping to get paid for services already covered by insurance, hounding consumers to pay fake or exaggerated charges, misrepresenting consumers' rights to contest bills, and collecting on debts without documentation that the amount is actually owed. That was the advisory opinion that is now being challenged. The Debt Collection Industry Trade Group first filed its lawsuit challenging the advisory opinion. It then filed a request for a temporary restraining order seeking to prevent the advisory opinion from taking effect. And then, like we said, separately, the congressman filed a resolution under the Congressional Review Act seeking to reverse the advisory opinion. In a statement, the National Consumer Law Center challenged the lawsuit and the resolution. They called the Bureau's actions reasonable and common sense provisions, yet debt collectors are telling us they don't want to follow basic protections like get the amount of the debt right before you try to collect it. The National Consumer Law Center continues, members of Congress should support the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's efforts to protect consumers with medical debts and collection, not nullify those protections. If you think that you've been a victim of illegal medical debt collection, you can still file a complaint, and we put some steps in the description below and on the screen of how to get that started. Get to read more about those lawsuits and that resolution. We link to them in the description below.